Some cars aren't built to impress, they're built to intimidate. Before a single engine roars, before a tire spins, the design alone makes your pulse spike. These aren't just cars, they are rolling acts of automotive violence. Sculpted from fury, engineered from obsession, and styled to make every other vehicle on the road feel irrelevant. If you've ever stood in front of a machine and felt genuinely threatened by sheet metal and carbon fiber, this list was made for you. Buckle up, because these designs don't ask for your attention. They demand it. Hit that like button if you think aggressive car design is an art form. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because we drop content that car culture actually deserves. Comment below, which of these beasts would you daily drive if money wasn't a problem? 1. Lamborghini Veneno, the alien warlord. The Veneno looks like it was ripped from the cockpit of a fighter jet and dropped onto 4 wheels. Sharp angular panels slice through air rather than cutting around it. The razor-edged front splitter, the Y-shaped headlights, the fighter plane exhaust. Every surface is designed to look like it's attacking the atmosphere. Only 5 were ever made, making it not just aggressive, but mythologically rare. Design highlight. The entire body is a moving aerodynamic weapon. Nothing is decorative, everything cuts. 2. Bugatti Bolide, mechanical brutality perfected. The Bolide strips away every comfort and convention. Its teardrop body is wrapped in exposed structural elements, massive air ducts, and a rear wing that looks capable of splitting a building in half. The skeleton-like bodywork reveals the engineering underneath, deliberately, provocatively. It generates over 1,800 horsepower from a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, and the design communicates every single one of those horses. Design highlight. The skeletal, see-through body panels. Aggression made transparent. 3. Dodge Viper ACR, American muscle gone feral. Where European aggression is surgical, the Viper ACR is primal. A hood that squats low like a predator ready to pounce, side pipes that breathe fire, a monstrous rear wing that screams track intent, and a body that looks wider than it has any right to be. The ACR doesn't ask permission. It bulldozes past good taste straight into iconic. Design highlight. The adjustable aero package. 11 different wing configurations because one level of aggression isn't enough. 4. McLaren Senna. Ugly on purpose, deadly by design. McLaren's designers reportedly said the Senna was the most extreme road-legal McLaren ever. And they proved it by making it look almost wrong, because every aero surface prioritizes function over beauty. The hollowed-out doors, the massive rear diffuser, the hunched roofline. It's aggressive precisely because it refuses to be pretty. It's terrifying in the way only truly purposeful machines can be. Design highlight. The see-through dihedral doors revealing internal aero channels. Ruthless transparency. 5. Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, future aggression. This concept car signals where aggression is headed. The Terzo Millennio features self-healing carbon fiber, electric motors in each wheel, and a body so sharp, it looks like a weapon from 2050. With glowing accent lines, hollow structural elements, and a silhouette that looks like a stealth aircraft at ground level. This is aggressive design that doesn't just scare you today, it haunts tomorrow. Design highlight. The car's body doubles as a structural battery, aggression from the inside out. 6. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, speed made visible. The Jesko Absolut is designed around one singular obsession: maximum speed. Every curve, every duct, every panel is aerodynamically optimized to slice through air at over 300 miles per hour. The low-slung body, the swept fins, the massive top-mounted air intake. It doesn't look fast. It looks like speed itself has taken physical form. Design highlight. The rear wing system generates over 1,000 pounds of downforce while still enabling a 330 plus mph top speed. Physics made aggressive. Which of these beasts deserves to sit in your dream garage? Drop your pick in the comments. Share this with a fellow car fanatic who needs to see this, and follow for more deep dives into the world's most extraordinary machines. The road is boring, but the cars on it absolutely don't have to be.